Hello, we're team Conqueror. My name is Manish.
Myself, Rajat DK.
I'm Amogemus. So yeah, today we are demoing our product that is the Sentinel Net, which is a system that is made for defense-grade intrusion detection system at the LOC, that is for India's line of control. So as we know, India has two borders. That's the international border, and there is an LOC. And we know the number of intruders every year it's increasing by about 100 200. We want to stop the people coming from to India from the outside people at all. So we have devised a product that can help us out. That too extremely passive. So hacking is next to impossible. Yeah.
The reason, as you said, hacking is next to impossible is because in the coming to the feature scope, we'll be using AES 256 encryption for the encrypting the data and for securing the data, and also if we have enough amount of budget, we'll be also improvising to the cryptography technology, yani blockchain. Why? As you know, blockchain has multiple spreadsheets, so, and each and every block will be connected to each and every block. So even if you made a single changes or manipulate a single data or census data, we'll get to know what changes have you made and where have you done. So that's how the working of encryption data works currently. Over to the Manish for the
Yeah, so basically I got the fun part. Basically this is the transmitter and that's the receiver. And transmitter is where the place where all the sensors are going to be, and from there it's going to detect all kinds of data and it's going to send to the receiver. And from the receiver, the person who's handling it is basically going to get to know, and he can send any extra people through Morse code.
Yeah, so this is the place where everything input is done. So here comes PIR, and here comes the laser module. That's for verification system and the grid system that we have done. Here comes MP6050, which will tell us the vibration and to detect whether it's a human or a vehicle or any kind of things or big thing that's able to come. And on the top, we're placing a holder on which this sits the ultrasonic sensor and it's a capacitor. So this ultrasonic sensor with a servo, it is used to as a radaring system where none of them, anything moving around is just captured and lets the patrol officer know at the nearest part, because he's the one who's going to check it at any moment. So here is this thing.
And yeah, so this is basically our module where there's the ultrasonic sensor. You can see the laser sensor. You can see the PIR sensor over here. And yeah, these are my receiver. And finally, we are not using camera module because as you know, it takes a lot of high bandwidth. Because of that, data can be an issue, and during unconditional environmental days, it's going to be really helpful when you use these kind of sensors.
Since it's passive, even the patrol officer can be detected as a threat. To overcome that, we have come with our product. This is another thing which comes in attached with that. Those two are paired. So this is an LCD and a remote, a kind of walkie-talkie actually, to be speaking. So this is a data retriever or the data sender which will send data, the security pins which are given to the officer. So he will be authenticated, and the thing is he'll be given a sign of warning that he has to so and so encrypt his data and just send it over here. He just have to give his security pin, and the rest goes to it and goes to the transmitter, and it will verify whether he's our guy or the intruder who's coming in. So this is our product. Yeah, thank you.